What if I told you this photo you see here could become a 3D printed object? Here is the judgmental snake from that photo into my hand and it is 3D printed. How cool is that? And everything else that you see on this table also generated with AI. Today I am showing you how AI turns any image or text into 3D printable object on my desk. And no skills required, this is happening in minutes. Creating 3D models normally requires Blender, CAD software or years of practice. Hiring a freelance designer is also expensive. And if you want something custom, it is even harder. Most people give up before they start. But what if AI could do it for you in seconds? My mind is already blown because this is fascinating. Meet Tripo, an AI-powered 3D workspace that's used by over 6.5 million people worldwide. You upload an image or type what you want to do. For example, an orange cat holding a toilet paper standing up in her back feet, and it generates the model. That's what I typed to create this model in Tripo. Poof, mind blown. No modeling skills required, no tutorials, just results. In minutes. Let me show you exactly how it works. Come to the main page of Tripo. In here, we can describe our model, which we will do now. But also I want to take your attention to this 3D printing tab. You can already see all the models that are 3D printable generated here. So just keep in mind. So what I'm going to do is describe my model here, an American short hair orange cat standing up on her back feet, and the front feet are extended toward forward holding a toilet paper. Let's click generate and go ahead. Once you click generate, it will start thinking about it and the object is starting to appear. You can drop any image, photo, sketch, a character drawing or even a logo, and it will do the job for you. Within seconds, TripoAI analyzes the depth, the shape and the structure, and it builds a fully 3D mesh automatically for you. What else you can do is texture and refine. With one click you can apply 4K photos and realistic textures. It's like a Photoshop but for 3D. It's not just for 3D printing either. It is for animations, characters and any other stuff too, because you can animate these characters as well. And once it is done thinking, the cat is right on our screen. Pretty detailed, like I want it to be. And you can go inside the model too. You can click solid view here. You can see the entire solid view. And textured view over here. You can change a lot of stuff and play with it. Ooh, hologram is cool too. If you want to 3D print this model, which is the topic of today, you're going to click this 3D print and you're going to click export multicolor printable file. Another option is uploading an image. What you're going to do is to upload your image here, and I already have mine generated, and from this image you see here, it created me my judgmental snake. Now we are going to click 3D print and download our file. Who actually uses this? Makers, cosplayers, Etsy sellers, architects, game developers, and teachers. If you can imagine it, you can 3D print it. Here is a 3D model from AI and from a 3D printer. Look how closely it resembles. Pretty cool. And here is the dolphin. It was the most complicated model I generated with the AI, but I really like it. And since it's complicated, I 3D printed with resin 3D printing and it looks pretty sick. And here is another dolphin with Gatling cannons and jetpack. It's pretty funny. I wish I printed it with lots of colors. And here is the judgmental snake. I really love the color match on this one specifically. Here is Jiraiya-sama with the frog before he passed away, unfortunately, and I generated this model from the text. Oh, what is that, Jiraiya? And here is another judgmental snake that is on the vine. Also, one thing to note, it is 2 pieces. Here is Jiraiya-sama in very pain, Jiraiya-sensei. And here is my car, Chevrolet Suburban. I designed this with just text, but look at it. It also put the shafts and suspension system under it, which is crazy good. This was like a fun project. I just take a picture from social media with a kid inside a tire rotating, and I just like give that picture and it created it for me. And here is another snake that resembles a real snake pretty good with the scales and everything. And I also generated this with text to model. As humanity, we are at a moment where imagination and physical reality gap is closing in. Your sketches, your ideas, your creativity. These can exist in the real world with just one click. Tripo is the part of that shift, and it is happening now, and it's available to anyone. Head to Tripo website and generate your first model for free. Link is in the description below, and if you want more, you can use my discount code, which is also in the description, for 60% off of your first month. Now everyone can grab 40% of annual membership too. More details are in the description below. Things are subject to change. If you're into 3D printing, AI, or making cool stuff, subscribe. Subscribe, you will fit right in. Subscribe, you will fit right in. In the next video, I'm going to show you the journey of these 3D printed models you see in this video. See you in that one.